Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to create one of the charting scanner. The stock which taken a support on Camarilla support 3 level or L3 level. And that how we can get that particular scanner in the charting. So that we are going to do it in a 16 minutes time frame. So I'm just going to use my custom indicator to find out this kind of particular scanner. So what I'm exactly looking for here, where you can see there is a downtrend where it taken the support at Camarilla S3 level. So this is an S3 pivot level R3 and R4. I'm just adding R1, R2 and S1, S2. So because of avoiding the confusion. So I'm just going to here also one more point where we find out the reversal, that is what a support taken, but in this case the support is broken and it was moving down to S4. So the main logic and idea from the scanner, how we can effectively finding out the support must be taken on a particular stock on the R3, sorry, S3 level, S3 or L3, whatever it may be. So we are going to find the support which taken on L3 and S3 level. So let me try to create that. So maybe after the support, the stock is moving well. And this is one of my premium group member who requested, and that I'm just planning to create the scanner, and let me maybe this may be useful to others also. Okay, so a lot of conditions we have here also. There is a reversal which is happening, but this is not happening at the S3 level, but it was happening on pivot level. So, but the concept is the same. So you need to change the levels, and you will be easily finding out such a kind of thing which is going to make. So here simply we have to try to create the scanner, and it should be the low should be less than the S3, but it should be greater than the R3. So one by one we are trying to create the scanner. So because it is support which is happening here, and this time the lows must be greater than the S4 and less than the R4. So if you are adding that's such a condition, so I'm just using a future and options, so like a low of that particular candle. So I'm just using a 16 minutes time frame, so 1 hour time frame. So let me try with that of that 60 minutes time frame low must be less than Camarilla. So this is what a custom indicator which I have already created. So here we are not using 1 hour, it has always be a 1 day ago. Okay. So same which we have copied that, and the low must be greater than Camarilla support 4. So if you are doing this, and it will fetch you the stock which forming a inside level. So let me save this one. So we'll check this. Okay, stay Siemens Infosys. Let me check that Infosys 1 hour time frame. 60 minutes. So R3 level was support 4 and support 1 hour. Yeah, this should be minus 1 hour, and this should be the 1 hour candle. 1 hour low less than the 1 day ago Camarilla support 3, and low greater than the 1 hour. That's right. See sim. Let me check. It's not loaded. So you can look at this. The 1 hour low is less than the R3 and greater than the S4. So S4 low is 23898.05. Here 23891. So that is satisfying. And Infosys, let me check Infi, but it's not showing the right thing. 60 minutes. This one is wrong. And let me check some other stocks. Maruti. Yeah, that's all right. So must be greater than the low, must be greater than 1 hour candle. So but it's showing you it's right, but low is less than. Let me check some other different time frame. So here ABB C plot 115, ABB, that's right, C plot. Maybe in the last candle it may be issue. Why it is showing a wrong thing? Just wait what where we made a mistake, so we will check that. Yeah, so we made a mistake. So this is what a weekly level. So I am using a daily level, right? So we need to change that into not an auto by daily. So now it will work. So because we are using hourly time frame, so that's the issue. So let me check an Infosys. That is the main issue on that. So in fee, that may be also right because our candle is working right. So this is what a candle. Last candle also lows greater than and less than. Okay, so that is what the point which we are looking for an opportunity. And one more condition which we are going to use it. So this may be happening on the previous candle and the current candle low. So we have taken the low of that current candle must be greater than low of a previous candle. So if you are looking at this, looks like a swing. So where we find out the swing opportunity at the lower level. So that we are using a 1 hour time frame, both the sides, but is a -1 candle. So if you are using this, many stocks would be removed from this list, and then we have a few more stocks like only 27 stocks. Without this condition, so you may be finding almost 32. So that will filter out some stocks. Okay, that may be Exide Industries, and let me check Exide. So we have to filter out the stocks. Exide, yeah, previous candle low around support taken, and the next candle it bounces back. So that kind of thing which I'm going to look for, and even very few number of stocks. Let me check around 115, number 14, Concur. Well, it is taken the support. Concur. So 115, this wasn't 115, exact time is 115. So that 115, here is the candle 115. Previous candle low is less than that, and this was taken as support. Okay, so one more condition which I am going to use it in this particular filter, and that would be happen at the lowest level. For example, this is the lowest case, and we where we find out. And one more condition also we can have add here to get more filter. So the close must be greater than the open. So greater than open, that will fetch you positive stocks, the second candle positive stocks. We have a very few number of stocks. Now we've reduced the number of stocks. Okay, so Bharat Forge, Siemens, HAL at 12.15. Let me check HAL. HAL 12.15. So this was an opportunity. Okay, so where we find out previous candle is in a red, and 11.15 where we got a 12.15. It must be greater than, that's right, and it must be closed above to the level, that's okay. So if you are using that, previous candle should be a red, and even it is more powerful. So sorry, 60 minutes, all time frame would be hourly only, and you can change it whatever the time frame you want. So because by filtering out the narrowing the scanner, that's the main reason. So we are adding multiple conditions to filter out those stocks. So close less than the minus one previous candle. Sorry, it's the same only, same candle only. -1 and -1. We're adding this, and we will be finding so many stocks, but very limited. Okay, so here we can check here at this point. Number 14, 10, 15. So Marico, DBS Lab, Maruti. Let me check any random one. So Maruti, it's not loading. 10.50. So this is what happened, and previously -1. The next candle is a green, and it may be taken a support, but next candle it moves down. But I'm just always looking for this high to break because the trend reversal. Maybe here what we are looking for, it is keep on down, and from that point it is moving down, and here it bounces and taken a support here, and this candle should be the confirmation candle. Same like that, this candle high should be the confirmation, but in this case it taken a bottom, and then again, but it doesn't move. So because hourly time frame, we may be looking for a swing kind of thing. Okay, so let me add one more condition, and the low of the candle should be uh, less than the 30 or 30 candles low. Okay, that would be even better. minus one candle low, 16 minutes, 1 hour, minus 1 must be equal to minimum duration 1 hour low OT minus. Okay, so if you add, we will be filtering that will be not -1, so that will be latest. Yeah. So here we've seen that 14th 11 11:15 Indus Bank is the one. So maybe after a reversal or something. So this is what a point where we are exactly looking for. It has taken the support, but it doesn't break the higher level. So maybe around 1029.85. Next candle it doesn't break, but it not but initially taken a support, but again it breaks down. So let me check Bajaj Finserv. What's happening? So this is also not broken the high. So let me check previously any supports at this point around 10:15 Ambuja Cements. Where the point here 11th November, that may be a stop loss because it is taken a support but it doesn't reverse, and instead of that it giving you the breakdown and it is keep down moving down. So AU Bank, this is what a one. So but in this case it was slightly moving higher, again it came down. Okay, SBI Life, yeah, this is what a one. This is working. So from there after it came down, sorry, this is on 11th November and this low around 11 10 15. So maybe at this point it's showing you that close, yeah, it is satisfying the condition, it is less than and greater than, and one more condition we can add it. So one more condition we can add it here, that would be the second candle, the current candle low also less than the R3, that is working well. So the low of the current candle, that is what a 1 hour 16 minutes low equals to sorry, it must be less than Camarilla support 3, should be daily. Is that 1 day? So if you're adding this, even it will be filtering out very few number of stocks. At this point now 11:15 November, and that we are checking both are same Bajaj Finserv in this and bank, and previous one. So let me go for that. We are checking here November at this point 11th November. Bajaj AU Bank Manappuram. So let me check. That two candles also taken a support. So that is what the condition. Yeah. So 1 and 2. So like this, you can create and you can test it, and it will be helping you to add more conditions. So after a downtrend, so taken a support 3 on Camarilla, and after that there is a huge reversal that is happening. So that is what the main condition which we are planning with this scanner, and I hope this will be helping you to find out such a thing. So you can follow the steps, but it is adding a custom indicator, but not available default. But I will share you the scanner into my premium Telegram group. So those who are already member, they can access it free, and also you can modify and the time frame and whatever you want, you can just change it also. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.